Hello traders, John at StockBookie.com. Today we're looking at Facebook, Apple, and Amazon. We follow the daily, weekly, monthly time frames. We use technical analysis here at StockBookie.com. If you like these videos, go to my website, they're free, or click down here in the bottom right hand corner and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Traders, if you're looking for a new broker, check out cobratrading.com/promo/StockBookie. Been using these guys for years. Best in the business. Check these guys out. cobratrading.com. You won't be disappointed. All right, so Facebook daily chart. We had 20 million on the day. Volume was a little bit less than the last couple days and even last week's action before we started coming in. So we're still down, still sideways, still inside this bearish red bar beneath the 20 and the 50 and the 20 MA. Still in a weaker stance. Still above the 200, so not bad. We kissed it, had a nice bounce, but still a little bit weak after this fall. We came off this high trend line, which was actually in a channel. Looked like it was going to break out, came right back in. Now it's chopping around. So watch this one. Watch if we close above the MAs. Tomorrow's close will be very important for Facebook. Weekly chart, let's take a quick look. Yeah, it's still inside this bar. The bottom line, you got to get back above this trend line here around the 191, 192 area, then we'll possibly be going higher. If we stay in this side, this red bar, and we consolidate in the lower range, then we'll definitely be setting up for possible lower prices. So watch Facebook on the weekly close and the weeks ahead to see where this thing could possibly be going. Let's look at Apple. Apple today, I guess Warren Buffett bought some more. That sent the stock flying. You know, why not on Options X? Put the rumor out there because someone needs higher prices. Probably, I'd say maybe 175 could be the price, but we'll see how this goes. But great retrace, comes back in. Let's see where the Fibonacci is. So connect that low to connect that high. That will give us a fib range. We're right into the 750. Next big area will be, gosh, I mean, the trend line up here will be pretty decent. Let's pull it out a little more. But we got a great push up here, guys. So, yeah, you know, 176.38, 175 area. Gosh, what a gap up and a go. Just a gap and just a rip, you know. So you got to short the rips, though. 750 retrace coming in some really good overhead resistance. I mean, they're going to have to do spread out, maybe an upgrade, get it above these levels. And then maybe back to the 180s, you know, save Apple, save the market. So why do you think he got the big upgrade today? You know, Buffett's got to step in, put a couple bill in here, and yeah, buy at the highs. It's going to be great. So weekly chart, let's see. Weekly, yeah, still in these big three breakdown bars. Back above the MAs. Let's see if this thing holds tomorrow or pulls back. Weekly close, we'll see what happens on the weekly, on the little bit bigger time frame at the end of the week. So, but back into the 750 retrace, you got some good resistance up here. But the next big area will be the 178. 178 to 175 up in there. Big overhead. I mean, you're starting to hit this stuff now too. So let's see if they could get this thing up and going. And plus, you had these big red bars of selling. Maybe we'll get a little bit more. We had good volume today on the Buffett news. So we'll have to see what the weekly close is on Apple. Options next week, guys. Someone needed higher prices, so why not put Buffett in there? Hey, I'll give you $1 billion if you put $5 billion in, and we just push this thing up until it closes. No, I don't know. That might be happening. Who knows? And Amazon. But what Options X, that's when you announce it. So daily chart, same thing. Chop, chop, chop. We did get above this line. We talked about that. So that's important for this one to possibly be going up. But it pretty much closed a little bit above it. So I want to see a little more follow through on this 1, 2, 3, 4. You know, you could count this day as 5 because we went down, came back up. 2, 3, 4, 5. Slingshot. Back into this area. Let's put a smaller, I'm going to take this. I wanted to put a smaller retrace just to see if there's anything. So you're even above these retraces there too. So let's see what this thing gives us. Do we go back to all-time highs, 1500, or we just stall out and then possibly pull back? Let's see what the overall market does as a SPY. SPY keeps going up. These will all keep going up. SPY and Qs and everything start pulling back a little bit. Then Amazon, everything will pull back. Everything is a market trade right now, period. The market's got to go higher for everything else to catch a bid and magically go up. So Watch for that, guys. And that's Amazon Weekly, same thing. We're back above here. Let's see where we close tomorrow. If we close above, in the 1480 area or so, or even above 1475, that's pretty good. That could lead to higher prices next week. So we'll watch this for Amazon. We had a little bit of volatility, which was good for us. And down in here, came back up. So keep an eye on this one. Let's see how it does towards the $1,500 level. Or does it stall out here and start going sideways, building pressure for the next move up, or possibly a failed pattern for the next move down? Stance, bullish above the MAs. So everything's still pretty good with this one. Monthly chart, a little bit extended. 969 would be my price point. 1,000 possibly. So let's watch for that. Still up here. Still, there's still some upper areas up in there too, around the 1573.07. So just watch for that, guys. Amazon is, strong stock. It's Amazon, guys. Just like when Apple hit 700, it's Apple, and it pulled back to 350. So watch for this stuff. Markets pull back. The overall indexes, these will all pull back with it. All right, guys. Hopefully this helps some of you traders out there. And thanks for stopping by to my YouTube channel. I really do appreciate it. And next time, we'll be talking about more resistance levels and support levels on these individual names, and we'll go from there. Again, thanks for stopping by. God bless. See you on the charts.